Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla timing belt. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a reliable jack. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Next, you'll need to remove any accessory drive belts and their protective covers to gain access to the timing belt area. With the covers off, your next step is crucial. Locate and align the timing marks on both the crankshaft and camshaft. This ensures proper engine timing. Then, use the appropriate tool to loosen the timing belt tensioner pulley bolt, releasing the tension on the old belt. Carefully remove the old timing belt. Take a moment to inspect all pulleys and the tensioner for any signs of wear or damage. Now for the new belt installation. Carefully route the new timing belt around all the pulleys, making absolutely sure that your crankshaft and camshaft timing marks remain perfectly aligned. Once the belt is in place, tighten the tensioner pulley bolt to the manufacturer's specified torque. Rotate the crankshaft 2 full revolutions clockwise by hand, then recheck that all timing marks still align precisely. With the new timing belt installed and verified, it's time for reassembly. Reinstall all the protective covers, accessory drive belts, and any other components you removed. Securely reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Finally, start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises or vibrations. Confirm smooth operation and proper engine performance before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.